Hello friends, in this problem you have been given a radical equation and then you have to find value of x that satisfies this equation. So you have 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x and this is equals to a square root, and inside this square root you have 35 raised to the power x minus 49 raised to the power x. Then you have to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. How will you solve this problem? You see, the one hint you have, that is this side we have a square root, that is on the right hand side we have a square root term, and this suggests we need to square both sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, to remove this square root term. So this will be the basic idea to solve this problem. So let us solve this. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x, and this is equals to a square root 35 raised to the power x minus 49 raised to the power x. Now as I said, we can square both sides. So let us square both sides, and now if you use the rules of exponent, if we have something like this root x and a square of this, then this becomes x. So with this property, so left side as it is, but the right hand side the square root term will go away. So I will have 35 raised to the power x minus 49 raised to the power x. Now you may think now of squaring, because this is nothing but a minus b whole square, but a better idea will be, let us see what we can do is, we can first simplify the right hand side. So on the right hand side we have 35, that can be written as 5 into 7 and raised to the power x, and 49 can be written as 7 into 7 raised to the power x. And now if you remember rules, if we have a times b raised to the power x, this can be written as a raised to the power x times b raised to the power x. So with this rule I can re-express, that is 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x whole square, and this becomes 5 raised to the power x times 7 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x times 7 raised to the power x. Now I can take 7 raised to the power x common, so this becomes 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x. Now let us take everything to the left hand side. So what I will have? I will have 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x whole square and minus 7 raised to the power x 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x is equals to 0. Now this thing is common, 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power in both the term. So I can take this as common. So here I will have 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x and minus 7 raised to the power x, and this is equals to 0. So I can write this is 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x, and this is 5 raised to the power x minus 2 times 7 raised to the power x. So this is 2 times 7 raised to the power x, and this is equals to 0. Now there are two possibilities, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So let us say case 1, when the first term is 0, that is 5 raised to the power x minus 7 raised to the power x is equals to 0. So in this case I can say that is 5 raised to the power x is equals to 7 raised to the power x, or I can take log both sides. So this becomes log of 5 raised x is equals to log of 7 raised x, and the property of log I can use here. So if we have something in exponent, that becomes product. So using the property of log I can write x log 5 is equals to x log 7, or I can take this term to the left hand side. So in that case this becomes x log 5 minus x log 7 is equals to 0, and if I take x common, this is log 5 minus log 7 is equals to 0, and this cannot be 0. So, this means x is equals to 0. So, in this case the solution I have, that is x is equals to 0. Now, let us consider the second case, that is this term is equals to 0. So, that is case 2, and in this case I can say 5 raised to the power x minus 2 times 7 raised to the power x is equals to 0, and once again I can take this term to the right hand side. So, I will have 5 raised x is equals to 2 times 7 raised x, and then I can take log both sides. So, I will have log of 5 raised x is equals to log of 2 times 7 raised x, and the property of log, that is log a into b is equals to log a plus b. So, if I use that property, I can write log 5 raised x is equals to log 7 plus log, this is log 2 plus log 7 raised x, and I can take x as a product because that is another property of log. So, x log 5 is equals to log 2 plus x log 7. I can take this term to the left hand side. So, this becomes x log 5 minus x log 7, and this is equals to log 2. So, if I take x common, so this is log 5 minus log 7, this is equals to log 2. So, from here I can say x is equals to log 2 divided by this thing, that is log 2 divided by log 5 minus log 7. So, this is another possibility for x. So, there are two possible values of x, one is x is equals to 0 and another is log 2 divided by log 5 minus log 7. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.